Dense fog advisory for the following counties. In Florida, inland northern Brevard, inland southern Brevard, mainland northern Brevard, mainland southern Brevard, northern Brevard Barrier Islands, orange, Osceola and southern Brevard Barrier Islands. Dense fog advisory in effect until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. What? Visibility as low as 1/4 mile or less in dense fog. Where? Brevard, Orange, Osceola, and Indian River counties. When? Until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. Impacts. Low visibility could make driving conditions hazardous. If driving, slow down, use your headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you. The current time is 4:37 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Special weather statement. Patchy dense fog across portions of east central Florida through early this morning. Satellite imagery and traffic cameras show patchy dense fog has developed across portions of Orange, Osceola, Brevard, Indian River, St. Lucie, and Okeechobee counties. Fog will produce localized visibilities below a half-mile in spots. Motorists should be prepared for sudden changes in visibility. If encountering dense fog on area roadways, use your low-beam headlights, reduce your speed, and maintain a safe distance between your vehicle and the one ahead of you.